How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a box in FreeCAD. Now, I'm going to start with an empty file right here. The first thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through task, and you also have to make sure that you are inside part design. Click create body, and then it will allow you to create a sketch. So just click create sketch. In here, you have to select your plane. So maybe you want to apply the box onto the XY plane, XZ plane, or the YZ plane. Now you could select either one of this. It doesn't really matter. In my case, I'm going to be selecting the first plane right here. Now, to create your own box, the first thing that you want to do is to use the rectangle tool. This will allow us to draw a sketch with a rectangle. Click on close, and basically once you have your rectangle sketch, you can then extrude it, or you can select the path option so it will actually create the sketch into the box itself. Now in here, of course, you can edit this the way you want to. As of the moment, it is set to 10 millimeters. Let's convert it into something like 20. Hit on enter, and then it will actually do that for you. If you want to edit out your box, you can navigate through model, and then you have your body and you have your pathing right here. So we have some additional options below the properties. In here we have the sketch base, part design, and more. So you could just everything right here on the side category, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.